Hello friends. In this video I'll show you how to merge D drive into C drive in Windows without using any software. If your C drive is running out of space and D drive has free space, then merging them help increase C drive storage safely. But do remember that this will delete D drive data, so backup important files before starting. So without any delay, let's get started. So for that, go to the disk management. Then here, this is the D drive that we want to combine in C drive. Delete the data. Make sure you back up the data which is in D drive. Yes, yes. Then now it's unallocated. So you just need to extend the volume. This is the disk which is selected. So we want to use full space from D drive. Click on next. Finish. Finally, the D drive is merged to C drive. So we'll go and see on the file explorer. Here the D drive is gone. And finally, the D drive is now merged into C drive. If you found the content helpful, then please like, share, and subscribe my channel for more simple Windows tips like this. I will see you in another video. Till then, bye.